Hello and welcome to Simplified Statistics. I'm your host Amrita Panchwani, and in this video we are going to understand what are independent events. So let's say the first event is that you toss a coin. The possible outcomes would be either a head or a tail. Let's say the next event is that you roll a die. Now the possible outcomes have nothing to do with what outcome you got on the coin, because the die has a different set of outcomes. It could be either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. The two events are totally unrelated. This is what is considered as independent events. The tossing of a coin does not influence the outcome on the roll of a die. Hence, the toss of a coin and roll of a die are two separate events. They are considered to be independent. And the best part is that these two events can either be done one after the other in sequence, or you can conduct these two experiments simultaneously. Let's move ahead and understand another aspect. So let's say a bag contains 3 red and 2 blue marbles. Event A is that you select one marble from the bag, and event B is that you select second marble from the same bag. The sample space for event B is reduced. The sample space for second event is actually dependent on the first event. In this case, the outcome of second event depends on the outcome of previous event. Hence, they are considered as dependent events. To get a better picture about it, let's check this out. So there is one sample space that relates to event A, and the same sample space also relates to event B. That is the reason why the outcome of event B is actually dependent on the outcome of event A, because they both share the same sample space. Hence, these events are called dependent events. Whereas in case of independent events, there is sample space 1 that exclusively relates to event A, and there is sample space 2 that exclusively relates to event B. That makes event A and event B independent events. I hope I was able to provide you better clarity on what are independent events and dependent events. Stay tuned for more such videos on simplified statistics. Thank you.